this morning I had a little fiddle with just 2 notes, so stick around and see what I've come up with as it extended into a big improvisation, including some beautiful arpeggios. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Join me each Thursday for a tutorial, and if you enjoy the content, then please subscribe, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, let me share with you my 2 notes that I started playing with this morning, D flat, A flat, and I just kind of rocked back and forwards there. And then I just added a left hand of D flat underneath. You can have a little play with these, any D flats. And you might even like to swell the notes a bit louder and a bit softer, just to play around with a bit of shape there as well as we add our left hand D flat. Here we go. Let's now step the right hand thumb down to the C there. Keeping the same, D flat down the bottom. Then let's step both notes down to our G flat, B flat. So from our white and black to our 2 blacks. And we'll stay there. Back to the D flat. Now to the C. Both down. And onto a bit more of a left hand play. We could move that bass note, D flat, down to the A flat. Just keep the left hand the same, maybe E flat next, G flat. All again, D flats, here we go. A flat, E flat, G flat. One more time, here we go. Let's now pop them together and see what that sounds like with our D flat pattern, then to our A flat pattern, down both hands to the black keys, and then to step up the left hand bass there. Nice and easy. Let's step that through again, just blocking. So D flat pattern, step down your thumb and your A flat bass, step everything down, black keys, down low to that E flat pattern there, and then just change your bass note to your G flat. Let's put that all together now with our rockings. So D flat, A flat. Here we go. Now step down, everything black, G flat, all again. Then this is where it got really interesting, where I started fiddling with the right hand, and then we can sort of open up to that top D flat there. So if we've got a D flat here, instead of doing it there, let's do it up over the top there of the A flat. So let's have a little go just with the right hand. We can still do a D flat down the bottom here, and then over that way. So 1, yeah, let's do that. So 1 down there, middle, and then pinky. So think of stroke, lift and stroke, A flat, and then rocking. And one more time. Then let's take the right hand and let's step to your C and your A flat there, rocking. And then let's put our C at the top. So let's glide off there, rocking at the top. And take it down the one more, so B flat, G flat. But let's put that pinky over the top, rocking that way. B flat at the top. And then we'll stay there for the last pattern as well, even though our bass note changes. So let's now do it with the bass notes as well. So D flat, A flat. So let's do 1 thumb and then over. Here we go. Again. A flat pattern, B flat and G flat in the right hand. Change the bass. Then we can go even fancier with floating my hand over the top. Again, D flat, over to the F. We could then go to the A flat. That's our starting up to our pinky there. Here we go. E flat at the top, something like that. You could do any of those notes. You could do the A flat at the top. Then down to our E flat pattern. So we've got our rocking pattern, over to the top rocking. And once again, we can float over our E flat from there all the way up to our E flat here. Here we go. Change the bass there and to the D flat maybe there. All again, here we go. And there we have a bit of an improvisation on our D flat pattern, starting with something so simple as our two notes, D flat, A flat. Have your own little go at mixing those all around. You could do block notes, you could do the splits, you can keep one hand the same, just move your left hand around or vice versa. And have a go at doing a big combination of all those ideas and creating your own improvisation today. I'll make sure to link some other improvs for you to check out as well this week. Happy music making. Ta-da.